One African village has more genetic diversity than all of Europe combined. This isn't an exaggeration. This is genetics. This is science. Follow Afrothrone TV because Africa is the most genetically diverse place on Earth. Genetic diversity means genetic differences between people. More diversity, more variation in DNA. Scientists studied populations worldwide. Africa has the highest genetic diversity of any continent. By far, a single village in Africa can have more genetic variation than entire continents outside Africa. Why? Because humans lived in Africa for 200,000 years before some left. African populations had 200,000 years to develop genetic diversity. European populations, only 40 to 50,000 years since humans arrived there. More time equals more genetic mutations, more diversity. Here's what this means. Two random Africans are more genetically different from each other than a European and an Asian are from each other. Let that sink in. An Ethiopian and a South African have more genetic differences than a Norwegian and a Chinese person. This destroys the concept of race. If Africans are the most genetically diverse group, how can they all be one race? The answer: race is a social construct, not biological reality. European colonizers created racial categories to justify slavery and colonization. They grouped all Africans as one race, despite Africans being the most diverse people on Earth. Modern genetics proves race doesn't exist biologically. There's more genetic variation within racial groups than between them. Africa is proof, the most diverse, the original population, the source of all humanity. Africa, most genetically diverse place on Earth. One village beats all of Europe. Follow Afrothrone TV for science that destroys racism.